In this question, we have to find the gain C by R of the signal flow graph that is given. Okay. For this, we will be making use of the Mason's gain formula. The Mason's gain formula is C by R is equal to sigma n equal to 1 to k Pn delta n divided by 1 minus delta. Now let us see what these terms mean. First, k, it is a number of forward paths. Between the input and the output, and P is the corresponding gain of each forward path, and then we have delta, it is the determinant of the system. Okay, so this delta is given by 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3, where L1, L2 and L3 are the individual loop gains. In addition to forward paths, we do have loops in a signal flow graph, plus gain product of two non-touching loops, say L1 and Ln, if the loops 1 and n are not touching, minus gain product of three non-touching loops, so L1, Ln, Lk, so on, and this goes on. And the final term delta n is the loop gain of that loop that does not touch the path n. Okay, this will be more clear once we apply it to our problem. Now, if we can see in this, there are two forward paths. One is along this straight line, now which has a gain of 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, and then there is also this forward path, okay, which is passing like this, which has a gain of 5. In addition to that, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 loops. Okay, so k equal to 2, which is the number of forward paths. Now the path gain of the first forward path is P1 is equal to, like I mentioned, 2 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 24. Similarly, the second path gain is equal to 5. Now we have to calculate L1, L2 and those things. L1 is equal to, L1 is the path, the loop gain of this particular loop, so which is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Similarly, L2 will be minus 3 and L3 will be minus 4, L4 will be minus 5. Right. Now we have to see if there are any non-touching loops. These two loops are not touching, so we have L1, L3 is equal to minus 2 into minus 4 is equal to 8. Now we will find the determinant. Del is equal to 1 minus minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 23. Now we have to find del 1 and del 2. First, if we consider del 2, there is this loop which does not touch this forward path. So it will be 1 minus loop gain of this particular loop. So del 2 is equal to 1 minus 3, where minus 3 is the loop gain of the loop that does not touch the second forward path. This comes to be minus 4. And del 1 is 1 minus 0. 0 because there is no loop that does not touch the first forward path. Okay, so this is 1. Now C by R is equal to, by substituting all the values, 5 into 4 plus 24 divided by 23. This will be equal to 44 by 23. That is the solution of this particular problem.